Hey, my name is Dave Monix, and if you're watching this video, you are probably part of my Edpuzzle online course. So in this first video, I just wanted to welcome you and point out that we're going to be using Edpuzzle and Google Classroom throughout this actual class. And one thing that's going to get a little bit confusing is sometimes in Edpuzzle you're going to be the teacher and sometimes you're going to be the student. And if you're not in the correct place, then you may not see the lessons that are assigned to you. So I kind of wanted to cover that. So I'm going to show you how we can log in and then how you can get to the lessons as a student. So the first thing I would do is I would make sure I'm in Google Chrome and I'm signed into my Google account. So when I do that, I'm just going to go to edpuzzle.com and I'm going to click sign up. And it asks, am I a teacher? So I'm going to click yes, I'm a teacher because I want to sign up for my account. And then I'm just going to click log in. And when I get that option, I'm just going to select Google. This allows me to use my Google password and credentials. And if I change my Google password, then my account will automatically change as well. I don't have to remember what I signed up for Edpuzzle, the password was. So I'm just going to select my account, and you'll see I've come in. Here's my classes, and these are actually the classes that I've taught, and this is the one that you are currently enrolled in. Now, if I want to come in as a student and I go to, for example, I go to my Google Classroom here, I'm part of Chad's, and I go to this lesson that's been assigned to me, if I just click on this, what's going to happen is it's going to open up and I'm in the exact same set of classes. So I'm still the teacher here. So really what we need to do is we need to sign out. I'm going to close this one just so I don't have that, and then I'm going to click on this button to sign out. Now, when I come back to the Google Classroom and click on the lesson, it's going to allow me to sign in. It says student up here. I'm going to choose Google again. And when I do, it takes me directly to the lesson. I can also see what classes I am part of. So the key thing is that if it opens up and you see the class that you've created, then you just need to make sure that you sign out so that way you can be a student. Hope this helps. If you have any questions, send me a message.